In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a Scrum sprint in Jira Cloud. If you already have a Jira board but still feel like sprint planning is messy or your backlog is hard to control, this walkthrough will help you turn that into a much cleaner process. We're going to go from opening Jira to organizing the backlog to launching a sprint, and finally doing a quick review to make sure everything looks right. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian site or the Atlassian sign-in page. Log in securely with your own account, and once the main Jira homepage loads, open the Scrum software project you want to work in. The goal here is simply to get into the correct workspace before making any backlog or sprint changes. Once you're inside the project, move to the navigation menu on the left side and click Backlog. This is where your product backlog lives, and it's the best place to step back from day-to-day task movement and focus on planning, refinement, and prioritization. At the bottom of the backlog panel, click into the Quick Create area and enter a clear user story title. Keep it short, specific, and easy for the team to understand at a glance. After you press enter, Jira will create the issue for you. From there, drag and drop backlog items into the order that best reflects business value and delivery priority. Put the most important work at the top so your team always has a clear sense of what matters most. Next, click Create Sprint near the upper right area of the backlog view. Jira will add a new empty sprint section above your backlog. Drag your selected issues into that sprint. Before starting it, open each issue and fill in the story point estimate field using your team's usual values, such as 1, 2, 3, 5, or 8. This helps Jira track scope and gives your team a more realistic view of sprint capacity. When your sprint is ready, click Start Sprint. In the setup window, enter a clear sprint name. Choose a 2-week duration, set the start and end dates, and write a short sprint goal that explains the main objective. Then click Start to launch the sprint and move into the active board view. If you want a faster setup option, Jira also includes AI-powered assistance in some environments. You can use the search or editor area to type a plain English prompt that generates a structured issue draft for you. This can be especially helpful when you want to speed up story creation without losing consistency. Before you finish, review the active board and make sure everything is in the correct column. Your issue names look right and your estimates appear properly. That final check helps keep the sprint clear, accurate, and ready for the team. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.